Make sure your clip is in the timeline. I will be removing this plane from the video. First, select your video and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, then paste it using Ctrl+V. Now, click the eye icon for the first video to hide it for now. Move the duplicated clip over the second clip so that both are aligned. Select the second clip and go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Opacity section, click on the pen tool and create a mask around the object you want to remove. Then, check the inverted box to remove the object from the video. Now, click the stopwatch icon next to Mask Path and play the video. Move the mask throughout the video so that the object stays removed in every frame. Once done, enable the first clip again and select it. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust its position until the object disappears. Then, select the second clip again and, in the mask settings, increase the mask feather until it blends naturally. Now, play the video and check the result. The unwanted object should be completely removed. Thanks for watching.